Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV.
Ya mamo ajo na mu akwaba aha Kumawood television and a fourth day in the month of March 2021. Twedian pondo boss robo asase patako diko babo nyankopon kruchi amansa ya twe no dada wode ainanso achaye ebenya botre na enei yatenase na yasin kunyan yatimi adi nkomo ede afa nsama wodo a etwagu e o man Ghana ho na enne na yina ya twen say the Apex Court the election petition 2021 and 2020 election petition no ebetimi ade ho sinsanso atumi aba me no kasai court no enne akwa setena ema ruling no atumi aba the odi kunim about 2020 general elections declared by the electoral commissioner no there said the Apex Court and so at so aba say the electoral commission did no mistake say o declare his excellency Nana Akufo-Addo say ono ene eye winner. The petition has no evidence. The petitioner has no evidence, and the petitioner evidence does not have any merit based on the issue na ewo Supreme Court. Ni benyamre na ya gba uram edi ho nkomo exactly the court no eka no ene the court no kra ni o ma esedin katia aye a bit hero edi ama John Dramani Mahama omoso omotwemu anpa mi no mo ka no ho edi witness by ne de command ka hwe kra mfo mo kra nkeye o ma court okro no a na ebia enkeye the court dey atudwa ene ene the ekoso nyame atumu anonum His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the petitioner, and then the leader of the NDC, and so any Ghana Bekasa na watch them say the Supreme Court kai no wajatum ana say onyintum obekwa review ana onko review we a unanimous decision enipa nson ajaje fo nson nyina no say someone John Dramani Mahama, the petitioner, ɛne na pamfo ɛde bɛdan court no ɛnhyɛ da nyina so bia nti ɔmo abɔ nsam no atumi agu wase the petitioner has not produced any evidence to rebut the presumptions created by the publication of CI 135. We have no reason to order for a rerun. Therefore, we have dismissed the petition. Today, NDC John Dramani Mahama nanka okopre yenkota bana ofro na yenhwedo din kunim no Supreme Court abatogu benyamre na yedi ho enkomo enra be amachin donko ena nasebejafo etimi esore so a na omo dwendwene ho kwampom befa so a omo betimi apase 13 ministerial nominees a ampani ede omo eko the appointing committee ekobi achi no na opon enkroma hawa kumsen ena afi Dr. Afriye omo atimi apaso maka 10 ho a eni omajo matum se ampani mo safre mu nsai omo ya soafo ewo oman Ghana eno so nkomo ewa ibenyamre na yatumi edi ewo ha onum se ere NDC amanyoko no ayasa mentema za akra hase a eba sobo a amanfo hase ede bom na sebejafo ne bi ne se omo a hyada momoden sa se omo agye mpanifo bi kanda pa mo nitihu ambruzeri mo vetting committee no atimi agye motum amasa meja mfi ese emeraso se NDC for parliament wono mo sesem na muntaka ne Haruna Idris mu no eberebedu a munyom free parliament wo fi se omo mwa NDC amanyoko no ehon komo enso ewa ha ebenyamre na yatimi edi nyame yatumu a hwebe na ya fofu die edamenda the Independence Day edema of my Ghana 1957 na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na pamfo bo aye ma enye fa hodie na afidie no COVID-19 ti panifo se yentumi ennu no se de afibia yedi no we ebekoso kaktua bi ewo the forecourt of the Jubilee House and also ewo and afi COVID-19 vaccines amfo eguso ewo me nyame adom china me ko akọ me de His Excellency Akwasi Adewudike, a leader and founder of the UPP amanyoko no na metate se o kan se COVID we no enyu onewo ha otifia obechiri so akowo ana onwo ya daben na yemwa no ne mfa no nkonko fi se etwa se owo na etimi eboa ebenyamre na etimi edigana enkomo yenko didi ndodo no ano ebe ko de course so eneyi ewo the Apex Court Supreme Court no me dey Sir Mike Kumawu TV. We are also live on YouTube, Kumawu TV, live on Facebook, Kumawu TV. Wajen charo de ba ebenyam na ken kade amako Facebook Kumawu TV o like anu ahye aw from so etimi enyabi etimi ahwe. Some no Dawson yabofo 1-to-1 enterprise. We say opedan ato, ope asase ato, opedan ahan, opefie ahan nyina no ba obetimi aboa. Sanso na otukwan oban cry kumase takrade na person a efe etimi edadada ho a obetimi abo asa kwan so ojapade na pesa ton so a 1-to-1 so abo etimi aton ede amount Godsway casket shop Godsway ese bomode a na ebra na ontumi emwa Godsway ese wonya yenko ade a bra fondaka no obetimi ama bi ama won so no otumi ede esi odofo no na afi enmunyanse no etumi aba Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center se adwuma na wope akontu na wope obi na ebu kwasia wasemi na court ana se etwire bi na da onipa bi so yare bi na da no so na ha no wopese adwuma no etumi tumpon opesika bra na Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center okwo tibie enso entumi emwa wemo ena no sika so ya se adwuma die no ebro ene enwumre meden once again it is Mike my guest ofia empedifo akese miensa Alhaji Sani Senior, a leading member of the NDC, Ofia Bafo Asare, a NPP, Ashanti Regional Communication Officer, team member, and His Excellency Akwasi Adewudike, and also a leader and founder, UPP Amanyoko, Omunina Atnasi. You try Homra, Yaba, with your father, the Benyamre, na yet me estimate. I joined 0202668464. Fabra, na yankin kind Emma. Yabasisia.
Oti animdia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira. Ebinom be from ho se me o ma asofo. Nso no manya ma asorema. Akom.
Obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a che no. Wa ya stroke no enko. Malam se bra.
Ya adwuma me mene da.
Okay.
Kwesi da. Edwo da. Ebana da. Okuo da. Yawa da. Efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawo so me hwaw. Because nipa ana wo homeda. Nyankopon eni homeda.
Okay.
Akwala na wawo no. Akwala na nya 10 years. Eko 50 years on 90 da. Wada fom. Obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo. Obi so ho so wa akwala no. De ye ya afi no kon no. Ya na echi na da so. Ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini mo. Ye kete. Oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no. Malam se nkasa fa na bra. Ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do. We jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no Ubekuna say abaya mre.
Okay.
Wo banyim easily.
Piao. So ho adwuru. Ene danta de bibo ano. Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center. Ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. Ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no. Mala mo hwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo. Etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wo hwe Ojapade bi no bi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho na Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tiebi na intumi emwa piao
well all pia you say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma me di we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye iguma na ma why so what e busa yenko nkumase na munko nkumase
Martin Luther
oh nah it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo ne busu afani asoma me semina me pada e kumase akamara na me say ya chini yenya daka yibi
ya nansani
mo na woda so a mo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na makobedantwi woto na nanom ansia do ne eja yi ne bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me Gospel casket shop e wo kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ne me yi esika nche hye yo wo de bi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me fa bra no ni so abezu ya se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko nam ko kirawo some Gospel casket shop here ye wona kame bere te se de mu ni na Gospel casket shop ye wo kuma se Infantile town ye di labor office na ban Gospel casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane
live on Kumawood television 0202668464 Penifono Atinasi Fajen Brand Terry Yamre Ekeka and from the Epes Court and net quarter tenase edimuaye etumi aba ejina so enu and court no ejina so a omo edit ruling no etumi eba ni nyina no omo say omo hwe the petitioner no a wantimi ama enough evidence a kire say yen call for rerun of the December 7th general elections. The see say 5,000 and over vote pardon nearby, you know, and no class of the Kika Mokran one. In Yanis will be a Tachiman South, and so the Anos Soprano, say Chimwa, before declaration, no, any declaration, no, in Yanis will be a ever a bar, according to December 7th, no, as to it on Penala of Fado, or no, and I Ghana, my penny. When you're fortunate, Mama Kaba, Senator, sir, Michelle Osman City, now exerted COVID-19, still no, no. That's so in Tiano Bombana to me Abwa Penifono Atlas Bafo sorry NPP Ashanti Communication to Malaysia second former second vice chairman first vice and currently communication officer for the party Baba
yeah Japan and Gazi
if you have a cordial
Radinum Pibo
it do tell this here na Penin Fadri sir and then so yes I be Supreme Court
aye and any year papa mania is there sabe woman dear you want him
champagne we won ade buy was say
anigia ende akọ ama ye ye excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye ne de ye di enkunmudie abotre no abono enu ntina mde bae
oh okay enti what the bae enkunmudie no that mean tiase yi
ye tu me say enkunimba
okay
tu champagne
u ji woni no
me jimani
ye ne alaji ne
sa ene excellency odike ase na me de enso aba abetre pana ne say wodi e wo mo nso edie no no
okay
ye nyina nka mo ni enya ya ni ani
okay
say enkunim aba ma fe de o mampani akonwa no wodin so bosu pi ya Supreme Court adua asem no edina atena so
e be ba be din komo ya sele sa baba
ye no ya
bi ya ko de
Yesu adom
de nyame ase last week na na won plan
patron
good champagne wo was what the ba say nkunum di aba no enyina no ye mfa ka ka no na yamwa ebibi fo no monyo moni
yo ne je ni wo mu nyina na ne kwan so a nti se wakasa ye be genti adase
ye be genti adase abaji sani abaji akwaba
me pese me yes sir
baja papa de
o kan se bisisi a o kan
ye be genti adase
so na ha
nyame ofa
alaji wo
alaji wo nya patasi o
oh
anya sabi
afo minim anya patasi meseme enne eye da me danyankopon se me yekremoni me danyamia spa se me yekremoni enne ka mebura mamtirat enne
enne wa
hoda kese enne na eti se wadia
o de on kan
this fraudulent abattoir men come
alaje e be wuram
I will never be that wouldn't say issue about
when was won me no de kiri aja dance
o wu chama no kan
alaje kafra na when was won pe me no de kiri aja dance
mo kan na sa ka ma o di ke
ai ono ya sere to party di ajeji dance ma party di fragba alaji
right I was about to na enya everything kan well alaji mo na ho de asem no court eti mention say infree ho ye hwe election petition call 2012 and justice enim ye bo aka say in fact we know different from 2012 election
yes
eti ma ye found the 2012 you know but at the long run no the company na say want me am provide enough evidence a kire say about one the commission ni ma yi eti mo nsam no ya about to
na sa so me bogu to ye botugu ya che onim sa
mentiase
me che se wo botugu ya che day one wan ko me wotumi a ko mo pam ye free court okra ɛno ayɛ fashion na edi soa kɔɔto bɛyɛ ne yakɔ debia 9-0 7-0 9-0 7-0 9-0 7-0 9-0 7-0 near the upon court who's will be someone yet from the one who could be someone at data yet debia menka me say if they are every day will be forsaken yes say oh, Kukomanu, Koshian, Koyedi for me in a corner. It's telling you, saying, idea in case in Ukrano or Mushu. Make us a co review. Review. You could do, you know, South Blackpool law, English law. Ghana, a child law, most Supreme Court. One more, we are a TIA, Sabu law, no more fire, and no, the Butia, and this. Chacho draw my attention. Says our lawyer would you wear for you. 18 years ago, lawyer Ghana had Supreme Court to them started near Chum, said Yajuma. But who justice? More some of the friends say to that law. Meanwhile, the law doesn't even exist in Ghana. In our in court, Chacho challenged it. Or open court said, I said anything I'm similar. Moko to Salo, law is Ghana court of Chum, saying English law. Many Yakwa any law. Now, no, we say so many law, not so many law, say minimum law. Was it the name so both years, my law, naturally say, a haram forbidden. And who was so called your beard and law? Huh? Or the car, the funk of funny, and your law. Nini na ya law nti utimi ka tell say minimum law come na migrase nti minimum law na wono wakwa kosua mu entrikese yesu so nyina lawyer for ya asha de wa wuni no mo ka kire say lawyer for kan kureti wuwa ye butu wo e wa daka ba for me boa
hande mateda
yes what that yesu so nyina asha was that lawyers are not to tell lawyer Cassie and then they kick a home minion. You understand? Now, but you so Tiaka, Chief Justice, or Tiaka, you see the last time. And I any 0000 in the appointing of I don't know, make ready and come from him. And from him because the idea I have prepared for it. Says,
I want to also say, sir. Moment me and convince court.
It's never true.
Any young crown a ordinary Ghanaian.
Oh, yeah, Tio. Ebia, I feel now better I say. Because I be, ye be imprisoned, and what I say. So, you know, now, Uti summer, Sora, chicken tampwana Kasai. He's a lawyer. Watch out 10 minutes, not necessary. I could have part, they will need 2 minutes.
Because I think to top of
that. Because I think to the top of good, maybe. Which lecture was some year to send you, which will be here, and a month for at was. Because when you be actually, but for 40 years, I said, I didn't Tina or Barno. Even after I am for more justice, more penoclet, more Tio Barno, so much a mammy. Almost say. Now see, I'm for Obana and Macot. Young computer. Multiplication of cry and Sama Obana. 1 year Sama. Sama Benny Sama.
The commission.
That 1 year head of the commission. Yaka wa the tin in Yaka. 18 so here, ya. Nechikata, Waka commission now. Or Bob by the decam. Ya really are no more withdraw by Naka Bossman. So, Monsieur Commissioner.
You say, Obama returning officer.
This is what I'm saying. So, we were very careful. So, I was very careful. I'm a judge about crack. I said, I didn't know. My minidi. No, so, Nidi no. Sa Nidi and San Obey Commissioner. Yeah. It is a Mibo Commissioner now. We pursue be able to say, Sao Baway na menano. Simple. What I say, we judges, no. Say Chicata, Dano crowd with him. I told my away now so far the Ebrai. Okay. Yeah. Yes, in court, all this were done. But yes, I'm found. Maybe, but you have promised that me problem was say here NDC for the no anado omo here man now I watch it live from A to Z from 5 to 3 a.m. na NDC ni bia wo dis caro
yes I'm going 5 million allegedly
5 million
Ghana cedis Dabi o na wo hia ni pa kakra
bi say do mo here
no me here Ghana ya profon kakra bi wo me 137 here 137 then o bi to me 145 150 say ni pa wo mu fure he
happen
Dabi
and this for be kwa so ama
ebi so sipen
then
asa ya kasa wo
for bi sukura ama
absent on na jusika
I know my discount.
I know allegation. If you want a day boy, you need evidence to prove that.
Massa,
Aladi.
Bibian Noir. Yamuno, you have assaulted a hundred. Sir, officer Akoto, vet no crowd, where you be. New sir Akoto. Akoto, dear, so I asked any boy. No, my mate, I dear. Oh, or anyway, fear any more store than.
Buabasa.
I don't say any. I don't say any.
Saba for Kutubano.
Aye. And you free by for Kuto, and you bad don't tell if you a good time. Debbie. What I say? And it's no more than what. And you young enemy, but look at his arrogance. What's your problem? What baby has to go? What the problem? Chicken way. I did the Matama Sama Musco say,
Aladi, back a honor, and a indeed. So now you heard him was I said a court on the 12 no. After I said to the 13 declaration about ya judgment nebayano. The premises one another father, the petitioner, address say, oh my Ghana in Asumdimra, Majatum. But it's excellent John Dramani Mahama, not over. Everybody, you know, 5.
And if you will be hours, still with the fruit.
So, Omukaso Mutias, Bantra, bro, Omuha, at 5 o'clock, we know do go over no only.
What? I tell you, if you say Sabias on Sabi Yako, Yakob. Hey, no, I'm asking you a question. What in the power seven I walk out? No, I don't want that. And see. Okay.
Now I say. Kinsa just do mama kasata ba fufu ka
sai. So emrabe. Anything no more kasanki ya buru ya hu, wana ya buru yonko. Yenya sabi so sabi nya sabi buru. Yenya mwa. Ni asori preko pani na mkromi ya buru nkrofo. Nipa na ya buru no wa ye de.
Are you disappointed?
Oh, well, me disappointed. Okay. Because all me aware. My pair absorbers.
Okay.
Waiting for this. So, minimum says, never. Yeah, program or the can make say you be loose.
Okay, what may you so that?
What I say, you may catch you via platform via so make up because of moment to me,
process
evidence.
Yeah, that says, what to make us answer. Santa Court Naka, Yanan or what? The whole panel members in England throw and Muchai.
Hey, I
mean, oh, yeah, can't you
have the right to say so. No one.
I mean, no one
yagging.
What yes, I mean, no one yagging. So, no being yagging or what? Or what? And you know, no one yagging that from day one night, a case, you know, woman shall see. Mountain woman with the back.
Alexani, my main lawyer couldn't come on, lawyer and my summary of
the program
briefly. Lawyer, Kwame Adolfo, our man, so lawyer, take a car, and what you bring. About your Via Cordia. Lawyer, I didn't know the shares here. And a court no a day ruling Abba. But I in there 4 minutes. But I thought for my court, you know, so the buy, you know. Now, what's it say? Well,
I did go a year ago when the January court, you know, so the buy and say. So I have 5 questions. see some of the answer no dey get. And I hear lawyers say 5 issues. Court jira CP so the camera and you say 5 questions ni na no. Na the first question no and it say the kind of fee. Whether or not the petition discloses any reasonable cause of action.
Okay.
And then I can say, I did a petition as a mama device.
Oh, no, you
know. And the first question. Second question is whether or not based on the data, and this one is important, based on the data contained in the first respondent's declaration of the second respondent as president-elect, no candidate obtained more than 50 votes.
Okay.
I don't know how can the say. Well, I did a good my declaration also. The winner see. You should have trained as well. We know that 50% plus 1 and the third question also so and say whether or not the second respondent still met Article 63.3, including or excluding of the 2 months. I don't know. You can people say Article 63.3 say after the very about who be so a president. This was that 60% plus 1.
Okay.
Now, quarter percent they say, and if you are no, it's a South African, and after it's a South African. Still, I know, Nanadu 50% nana plus 1 nana.
Okay.
And the next question I have four questions, and it says, what is whether the declaration is in violation of Article 63.3? And I can choose say Article 63.3 they say answer what about this was president. This was more than 50% plus 1.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, we say, I'm not say we are winning, and I will win it, and I don't win it. And if you are not, now, and was to say, we are 50% plus 1 now. And the last question, and it says, whether or not the alleged vote added or errors affected the outcome. And now I can achieve say, Kono, if you move, Jama or the car say, a fire, and you see, as a son of Bush, and she's our question, genuinely, and as Supreme Court, as a man, start to move with you. So our question is, no, the year, no, what me, and get the now, you kind of whether or not say, petition in a so be woman, nothing in a so being in any court to petition in a so room into almost 20. Into and I first question.
Okay.
Second question, no, and try a good side declaration. And if you are based on that data, no, Nanado, in 50% nana. And I got to go on top of it. A change can take a big name. Or no one can calculate our boy, you hope it takes your year. And to choose another more than 50% plus 1. And she over answer that question is said, yes. And the next question is whether or not the second respondent still met Article 63.3, inclusion or exclusion of the 2 months. And of course, we are not saying. That my chief you can tell me other criminal. Ura Mahama. On one calculation, the money is 2 months to 3. The year 2 months to 3. Still, 50% plus 1. And the farmer also say, the 2 months start on about Kaka picture and papa. And also at the Leonardo Bro 50%. 80 what is the United? I didn't look at say, Leonardo, when you are more than 50% vote, constitution is a no requirement. We here at the Nigeria declare also a president. And over next question is whether the declaration is in violation of Article 63.3. I don't know, court here and say no. If it's more than 50% plus 1 year, and in that it's not in violation, and in constitution is so. I don't know, court will answer no.
Okay.
And the last one, whether or not the alleged vote parties or errors affected the outcome. I want to call see the essay. Omafa, Yasubiyama, approve say if you move forward so I'm a pay sheet be ama I'm any document of any value I'm sure say we are moving course so and the course is kind of say that you are not there almost be approved and the course we are not going to so far so say and I'm saying over to approve say the man they are more than 50% plus one including and excluding the 2,000 but I declare say the land of the winning now that petition now the mama the buyer any in a Sophia that's what they want to buy now their cost and on
lawyer we know on better review
oh 7-0 local reviewer now we want to go to the attack because we share ruling judgment now and you're very comprehensive it will keep more than 2 hours
yes. Yeah.
There's no way how much you have to go review card will lose. Maybe I don't know to waste the time there. But local reviewer, this is a very compelling judgment. I'll be very surprised. So I'm over court review. Maybe I don't know waiting there, but something I can't see how they can go for a review.
But lawyer, I didn't ever touch ma ebema obi dey some court wa. A lawyer for a judge for ma kuma and so you see me say that bia no the rest of the court no asem enye de o ma sum nimrem na you say e dey dey bet me atoche ma ama lawyer obi ordinance ma court now you have 7 justices none of them cry na timi hu say e bia na petitioner no na asem o waka no ba kumpo ede omunyina seems to side with the respondent because petitioner no help me and prove the case eba say ya mama for adwumo nyom say ase emra no ye pia ko di baabi na ye boku baabi for so
William ate we no lawyer ni bia o follow e bia be ka to say ate no na ya dey be court and we say ya let the two clear so be nyama me ne wa that because no one can take a some case no e very big. No three court Supreme Court for challenge will be so we are 50%. We are over to go. And go take prove. If you didn't get that court, or can you bring say the mama challenge the vote? The one say our mama challenge the vote, they are over Supreme Court today. I don't think that you put out then you are in a wrong for. That's the maneuver. But then you are in a wrong for because I want your court challenge the votes. Now court not cut the whole court challenge the votes there. You are going to lose. Some areas are not very Konya, you are going to lose. But we can tell you, say, we all knew from day one that the case was very weak. Because we didn't court in Qatar, you could be at 50%. No one can prove to be an
okay.
You can't win.
Okay.
Because you're going to say, your president should be there. The Supreme Court was it an official act is deemed to have been duly performed.
Okay.
It is all corners of your birth certificate near signature was what? It is deemed to have been genuinely issued. So because I never cry, this one I got the proof of that.
Okay.
I won't let you 71, I won't let you 70. The proof of it. And Sunday, yeah, now the whole corner will be a 50%. One of them to be out. There's no way you can win. It is one day, near 3 to the way that get to the because of one program already from day one, he made their case very, very rich.
Okay, we don't have tit for tat.
Hello?
We are not any tit for tat. Say, Abia, a baby, a quotia, we, it's a brain of
No, in course, we don't do tit for tat.
Okay.
You can win at the time if your case is good.
Okay. Like I say, you know, if I'm running at the moment, Casanova studio now. You're running them. You're asking for lawyer coming out for Holy Trinity Chambers and what in Kano. It was from day one. No more say Alaji Sanimo. I lose that. Alaji. Lawyer say I no moon to me cat.
Lawyer Walker said
not to go day one.
Walker said in an MGG. Lawyer now Casa say, Opa Fano to Soname Gantera. Fano to
Sunday Saint.
And somehow is she when you are quite a lawyer. many ones are other lawyers so they have a different view. I find your work on. The Supreme Court here look as a lawyer for Nirana Peninsula. No. What when you're not a peninsula? It in India now work cannot be the final way. Set which I said you cannot even criticize it. You understand? Anything what he is saying, you bury. Appeal cry no where lawyer soon who say you're lawyer for or the lawyer or the coach chamber. But with our experience, but the question now we say NDC we know do Okodum Kra manner or NDC. Why? Because they want and yet possible send the party as I can say the court and back and yet it's never true. No lawyer in this way. You have no lawyer for Kumasi and never know you come up lawyer Kessenum way and on another sound. Apalu justice Apalunum Sakosa. Woman you know justice I did Jaggy and then a kick out. Yeah, wouldn't it? And then yes, I said I'm even lawyer. I feel no obey a lawyer. Okay. And so with this, I make I do 300 years. I can't tell. Why are lawyer near woman and I? Okay. I'm Busau. Yes, sir. Because what may I walk? I am not going to agree. Sure. I am not going to. But money say you're quite clear, you be loose. One can play in Monsieur Boy, you be loose. Because I feel like I go in
707.
I don't know what kind of
15 minutes. Okay. What can say NDC Ebelusu consistently now okay on this show Sinipi Okwada so follow okay say NDC Ebelusu. Also there no huntia na we say NDC Ebelusu.
You mean Amedasi? Dedi kano. Sa one okobo match. Na onye referee ni ya. Penalty box mi nkodi wa agro. Because uji agro beji penalty against him. 11 out of the juries na wo Supreme Court CCR. Na kufa na appoint you. Me way before election we who say Nana Akufo-Addo or prepare for any eventualities. The Mensa I'll be electoral commissioner or Akufo-Addo here no in your bemaba. Yeah, the election no and yeah, mammy show in our chest now or yeah, Mama Nana Akufo-Addo. Make election be or reject him. Me fast for filling me forms. I'm the file for the giant time. Charlotte say time no, and one I'm the same form na you use here. Me pass it through, or the form no contain for 1 week. Later, I can say what disqualified. It's not true. Also, I'm not pushing for and chime. I'm not pushing for the Musa say evidence better than the control decay. It's my man. On your genuine. And that's why I'm calling but I'm not happy the way Chachugo went about the suit now or the court. And he said, the better I can say, and celebrity Jemen Sambabo. I just say, contrary figures. Mamela declare ye bonus so. Yeah, so your representatives at the police station. It is assumed. Question so many young sir, we want quality all the pay sheet and your total figure contrary to the American. Because the burden of proof ewo domama so. Pesa white through so we can na no me na emfa the bone of contention no. It's true. Number one, the essence I am called strong room. They say, that's why political parties are being represented at the coalition centers. Yes, the easy and it will be a making a home. Mamma was so when you know, only what them was a mass man. Jaja, we are not a cobra. Elaju Kasarmo.
Oh, Debbie. Monsieur, Pierre.
You matwas. Oh, Debbie Obra Penison. Oh, the seminar. Now, Pesa White, we didn't know, as I said, James had said, young comra. Mammy, so you Obia do nyama jana nso be wiawo. What is this kakoto ade bremia no wajes. It doesn't make sense. Chachu nanka osa all fale no. Odi figure share. The first sermon so de bredo mama court say yem fan say room no. Na sakata no. And what the contrary figures. Say ya kika yenya 6.5 eti maame dia wo kana oboa and the kwabia so maame be bad kana be defend say wo so dia wo kana so oboa then we can have time to interrogate the figures experts in abem na ya hwehwe the oka okrem you may have a very genuine case your genuine case. As a word, we say no credit, but there are some technicalities. As one fan can one spice, no, it's a bra 12 interrogators, the about to go here. Now, Secretary, you 10. Now, 5 figures. Because court na finish yakre no se ba bia okọ no omo empene and the strategy was ya kwa evidence na free mame no ne de ono an figures no akwatia no na matutu ba akwanto osi janam ko fetu pamekun it won't work. It is supina ne one nyina no na outside the box. The main issue is so say the mamma di krane nya fa de yebra nyanka bi ma because uko dwa mi no na hunu de eba mamma de wa ya awam nya ni tua but also representations all the police stations, so it is assumed say you have compute figures no and no nyina so excess the American boa then what about we can just pose the two near the all kind of way nanado dia na ode call and the entire for we emu no nanado was seeking say ya nullify police stations be there e be an sign be an say na also na at the same franchise ordinary person ko sign la no pa
yeah na so you we declare man so on
na we ne some ko from so munya boni bia to warrant that disenfranchisement usu de also be enya it will be enya no o say Nana Akufo-Addo ye calculate ne de no go nya 6.5 to mama sunya 6.5 if you abo pepepe court can be mame ni anko to aba fofo eto asum ba we de ono wonye mame ne de ni usu a woni bia de be chere no
is it not because say bia na NDC ni figures no a chere say e bia Akufo-Addo wi ni ntama fa ko
na o mu ko court ko ye de because witness
said the okay no e bia nka mo de be ko court wo akuprove mo case
no so ya de a emina kakra because so we share parliamentary na skirt and blouse e buy na no so sa e Ghana obia or when parliamentary no now or headed towards forming a government. If you try basically concerns no mu raise here no it be a genuine, but technically what I say technically me bubu samia like I say let's way na la kufu ado wa wene me oh yes but Chachu was not able to prove that point.
So just also the Emrano yemfanya saja juma
Emrano yemfanya I don't make us say Masi
the point na nko
yenya tia na obi yenya tia and obi afa me phone and odi ama na de akoto dem ye de wa nyina ehuni approach for aba ba person me hunu say ye di phone no ma we person me huni ezo dike okura de na chese phone ye wode a o tore no nya no we hene for receipt chese phone ye wode abra wo de ba ye betri se akofa phone abra o se ba bia me to no nche me so me ni receipt. That's why the fathers when me ehunu ye no wo de na chese phone kra ye wode a who claim ownership when man say phone ya dia ma yes obi ehun but what is the evidence that say phone in question kra ye wo dia first answer kwa police for to amount e ko dia ma what the mention say also police for say this is my receipt the phone belongs to me. If you go to the room you will find the serial number on the phone as it is on the receipt. Now confirm.
Then NDC the our credit I say I said to be a new or your position of also because a judge na ebia ayi ntwantia.
Oh,
comment me improve.
Honestly speaking, from the layman's point of view, any a kind of house who really read it, you know, I was convinced. From my earlier standpoint, said Chachu, amfa evidence emudu anko. Secondly, with this Naka Supreme Court won say there na Mami Jemensa lawyer and na Kufado lawyer can earlier say your mom to mukra ano. Now the case has no merit. Akwa bisiwo.
Because it be ended up by saying it's a case no. Has no, the petitioner has no evidence and the case has no merit.
False. Eti me aseme pa, but men photo Supreme Court judges because election way is one of the fraudulent electioner mema witnessing.
Mama Samba also now if you have a going forward because social media a lot of people are talking. If you look at say any 2024 there say na Kufuor ko and Kusiaga court, Mahama ko and Kusiaga court. So it tells you that 2024 there, you could sit time crowd court to view. If you are not a police station, boot for boot. The Bamaho, now ever had side, you know. Babo, what they also money at say, Modin Kunin. But I just say, I don't say a thing to Monsa.
Miss Lassa, any 2 years, a basic American. They say NDC, woman in us. Sure. 2013 yeah prepare say Afarigan Ediama Dromahama no yeah prepare say be court for 21 days massa yeah court near kuta 11,000 paying sheet this time around no police station no is 38,000. Wo si awia wo ko pensit baako ona eye Sakura gibi na no mkoye Supreme Court government ka chen this say tabia ne ka to mu say wo mu no wo kwa adie na ankasa no wo mu nsua I'm telling you already mu nsua na mo ka bon fi adie kwa nya pato say ebiesi pay ye 2013 ye koye so pensit awo adaka ya declare do atwan
I'm not going to fact because when the piece it no coin you still lost the case
so do there na ye evidence ye wo nyina so de me metre on ye ni nyina so so de o nyina so akem ko na ni na let us
the difference here ne say
the
difference here ne say we no me bo akakra bi
ona bo mi froze na yes
oh okay cool
so je no ni ani nya so a 2013 no kle enko dada court we the end this year e court na o nko dada no court kese a etese supreme court na mo akogina na mo toto papa so ne ade we toto papa so na wo mo toto papa so so ana ya na ya ka no ya se we asempa etia na akogina ho jet lawyer wo ware no wo dance na akona aba no na je se wo you so on the memetro no a person like Esiedun Ketia, General Secretary for the NDC. Wo wako yabusa se wo se awia abano so ya tu ye no ya de asina na do bank do ni figure onya ye electoral commission de aba don mama ono so ne dia onya ye electoral commission de aba mo angasa na mo beginning dia mo se mo awene entimo ya mo ntoto ya manfo mo se ye mo de ayine kokoto amo se de ye kopawira o kopawira se ye be na check ya enti ma hunu se abano be ko run off die ma hunu se abano be ko run off no ko afa koi because mo abano mo nya 6 million plus ani enso nya 6 million plus se ti be free mu na se ni nyina blackete dia na je se ye kotono foforo wo de wo ko won sapan na akaka Supreme Court say abano yen kotono foforo na mo ko mo de mo ya na ya ne akaka mo se de ni ba no wo bo mo kokko obo ensamo enkura se edu ya mo de ko nyina no ye botugu ensu bi anin I just say waste of time we ko se be dia ne fa mo na yi a ese kana wuli ne ba no ko mo do mo fa ma wo mo because what waste court no man no tam keke ye ni ani mo twa pa no ni e wo nyina so ye wo nyina so police station ko create no outside the country nyina no ni ekuta ho pension ta ye din nyina ba Supreme Court nana make no 24 there e bi nsi because wo be court na wo ni nyina so Supreme Court anya court ketewa o nwa ko jan ko papa ko toto papa so na ye kotia o
edun so uti alaji sani a aka say most of the alaji sani o dike aka say judges no do no an so kokora no a aben wo so na odiomo ekọ ye
Semak
dike aka say right from onset na ye prepare powers this thing
Semak di omo kanu enukro bia na ewo mu
se o party le ben judges e de enukre
me pa cho
ka se bia ni o ma nya sa
SRC me no wo se wo kasa me ye din o
de kasa
aha hwe JJ Lawrence nyame mfa no clearance Supreme Court appointing nipa ko President Kofo bai appointing nipa ko President Miss nyame mfa no clearance won so bai appointing nipa na no ya do ma bai ya ansa na na do appointing nipa ko wan fa mienu anko ena na na do so e bai ya wono so edi
11
okay nu na call you
aha
na infian so mo de do so
na just
one for qualified to be there
satan no na bi so ko mo ahomdiem de ma ne ko no wo mo a wo mo ko ahomdiem no mo do so
okay
entu so ni pa ko na ahomdiem dia ese ye represi ayi foforo so de me to no it is some American all the president ya ba ko nyina no ya ponte nipa o Supreme Court ho na even though some ko na me do aba na asem no ya kwan nko a better make me akwan no hwa
Dr.
2016
Dr. Charles is not a lecturer at UCC. I said, Mike, do ask the NPP rep, does he think that those appointed by Akufo-Addo can do him the service?
Sese
ọmọ akufado
na
ọmọ naba na maka se papa
na ade asebe no work wo so there oh maza ne kasa no enye no ade asebe na aken na ti na do na on say 2020 anu a ye to no e be ko Supreme Court wo mo ponti wo mo ansa na ye be ko 2020 ana me boa ana ye be to abeka na atwi na atu mienu ami ato aba no ana o ponti wo ana da bi za me chese e court no a NDC call ye no na nyina so bia nim etese wo de kente hunu ko market so ko di dwana osikasua o kente nyama o wuntimi ntodwan ma nyama da batom na ma na akobokro no na aka ho masa wo mu di anuhunu ne koye pepe bia nkuta wo mu na even though I said dun kata general secretary kwa akọ boy calculator ye de to no na nim te se organ wo boy at the end of the day no kwa so de bi kwa kaka na ado eno electoral commission na dey wo mu no since day one eno mo gu ma mi hu fi saa wo de new register voters be yes da bi yempre afidi okoto durum wom ade ande wo de ye afa na mo abobo na baso mo abobo na baso awie ye de akoto aba wie nso a yeso wo wie mo ama nanado mo fa mo nya so nso mra nso a enya so nso ni ho na masa wo fi sa sem die no ana sabi ye na nan mahemfo ye ko mo anim se ye ko di asem wo ko di asem na dansini no obobo nkro no sasem no woni mu a na obetoto papa so a na wa dansini ese dun katia no mo tre witness ni nyina ko mo ko hunu o ko no ko hunu o mo ko hwe Supreme Court wo keke hwe no mo ko hwe ho so eti no wo mo mfa bem bia ma sa judges no wo mo nya hwe mo na mo antimi amfa mo nyina so pa bi anko mo de bon sapan na mo de kotena ho na chatu wo ye dancer no ye say no hwe dancer na ye come Supreme Court wo faale ade eti mo aba no wo mo che say 275 constituencies no 38,000 police stations no enti police stations no mo anwe bia ibusa NDC wo mo anwe ni bi na ni bi na all the 38,000 police stations no na omo agent ni wa na enti omo anya agent bia anyi ni pen sheet anko challenge wo case ye me mention of na mo na me ka election na you know yeah masa tamwa mo ye djuma asabe na aka ye PCT ye mfani agro ye PCT ye sanka ya na adanu ye decoration center musa we me sanka ye PCT nyansa na right ya sorry 2012 petition of some ko no court no evru no na kwatia say you win aba no ono na win aba ya court 2020 court evru no wasi do win no na win aba no be may nya nkranhye e wa electoral commission mu say in fact djuma say electoral commission na Ghana eye no eso ani ne mo manwefo no na etere bi wo ha mo pese mo begina tu mu ana commission we so ya asenso de edema ye amanwefo no se ade no wunia enkasa owo na woko eno bia so tena so obedwon so ansa be ko Supreme Court no na woni me right won ko asa me ko Supreme Court awe na de no ye ko na ye kuta 11,000 pen sheet no ye ko ya Supreme Court ko mu a wo mu se ade no entesa wo mu se ye de pen sheet aba be so wo mu check kura no a intimi entwa verdict no
bi busa se ye to abantu mfo no ye ni electoral commission ni say more politicians na mokata ya na because on two occasions the Supreme Court has proved said the electoral commission the commissioner no credible
de me make sure say electoral commission na say edini die na nye politicians na say timemufo gi edie because obi no de nsa bonkum ebe che press kwai wo lusu kwa no osu na ma wini ne ebo me ma wini ne sensu no wo lusu etima timemufo no enye politicians ni dan electoral commissioner because one referral wo sintemu a wo wo che bibia no nso wo na pamfo a watoto mu e wo velos ayi e adumanda adiama no enti ne ka say election one the police station it is a nya ni waduma yie na wo ye wada wo ti akonwa no ada anatoe sentence na wo so wo kodidi no akoda dia na se nso ayi fa wa na efi wan
odike
nasa
ye ni electoral commission ni say the ye Ghana for including myself I want to say the electoral commission of Ghana is very credible because I stand the test of time NPP the court not the democracy no correct NDC the court not the democracy no correct yenya resimu electoral commission nanka yenya say e to be bia no a na amanyuko be lusu no mo de say ewiem e high
Jedika no police station no the security aban no te so be provide no and so ewo isusanso the activities and the resource
that is it
but na asoja fobi de ayi metro sam aba o techman no gisisi ye no enye yisi na de sa security for the government of the day electoral commission per experience amenya no say if you are able to monitor the process very well or tankwa otimi emu so
okay
it's not about having confidence in the electoral commission it is about having confidence in the process and commitment involving what I say. It is about your involvement and your commitment because a police station B yes we have 40,000 what you a college come 50,000 the 40,000 can come and delete the wrong one. Okay. Adiaba kwa me pese like a Supreme Court be kan wasem here. You see, you can appoint somebody to represent you, but that same person can also disappoint you.
Yeah.
And fast forward, say electoral commission, you better body be say teacher for you better muka no uma represented at the polling stations to ensure say bibia akoso.
I'm do not have politicians.
Do not also politicians. And it will be difficult to have a credible elections.
We must have a court to view after this ruling. We must have a court to view.
Oh yes, because we are not in a jungle. Yeah, oh my man so nemra. Media, honestly speaking, ruling whereby na enyadia ma now already medical blessing up for it because me will say maybe ankoyi, but that doesn't mean that there weren't flaws in the process. But a quite fast for present assembly any in your swear the coin and an electoral commission omo ye no na ye adwuma minim how we see adwuma biasness a fact. I'm telling you that is a fact. But so to me you for example Mama Charlotte was saying your mama na appointed, but MPP before were vigilant at that time and they won. Afarijan and yet John Rollins na appointed. By a trouble they lost to Kufuor. So I'm beginning to feel say
we are Jumaya.
No matter what the electoral commission has planned, it will not work.
I'm going to Jumra. Aladi. Said the idea and a crew number 4 aircraft 111. Is it the Ubiano and a one? More to view. Now, we know electoral commission, let us be a credible institution of Ghana.
First question now we say, my year on the Ghana side and our Sunday Abesha. I told you, say, a leadership, Ekasa, that will determine whether we are going to will go for a review or what. So, to say the lawyer now, friend, on the car, I said, a waste of time, that is not his business. That is not his business. But I'm saying, in the first place, support, you know, Ekase, I'm sorry, National Executive Committee, a committee, and they deem it fit. Say and Sankwa, we go. Right? I may not agree with them, but I have no choice. They are more movement than swap. Oh, and I have a question. You
say a question, no?
Say, Obano,
if you're about a foreign time, and people can say about one, if you would Mahama, court, now, till mess of time, must say no, if you are a Kupano, court to correct. Yankasa is, you know, a credible institution.
So, Mamma, yeah, Bobo, yeah, short 10. What's I open at your bed yet?
Sure.
Yes, I sure. And today I show you one. I didn't know by equal a blood. Winning in us will be a say. What a car. No, say 2-0, Famano, 2-0. The moment I can say equalization 1-1, now we're woman credible. Yes, maybe it will be a full supporter of Asantoko.
Okay.
Now, Asantoko to a bobo now to say, I would never agree. Now, me, Waboni, down Bako by Dino, Odu Session Gua. You bet you have a more penalty as a power free park or so. All the women say, wow. But what we are saying is, Miss Obama, need that and the two. She was covered by the Supreme Court. Woman, a Justice Department, woman, the son Becca. So I didn't know obey. What's the son of person obey you one? Woman, say. Madam, tell you, yeah, figures in there one. It's not being recognized by the Constitution.
I didn't hear. There are more police stations, no. Look at it now, Bumukoya.
Make sure I say. I'm saying, he said, yeah, Constitution of Ghana, any mono. Figures are Obano, Jimensa, and the Bababo.
It was a foul Tobo.
I don't say in Amaka, Bafwaka, Odikaka. Yeah, Mamma, so many come here and start repeating, Mamma. Let him talk. What I say? Yea, as I say, yeah, but we are saying so already. Bon, I mean, we're producing number. One only the and they legally binding on all of us. South African war. Figure that down. War. There were the Amagana for you. Mamma, the boy. And you know, so war, a dear. Here, as some cross Supreme Court to Kaya, we sold free at that kind of. So bad mistaken here. The mistake, you know, and your mistake, yeah, affected here. How you agree? And what's happened to say, time I'm mistaken by when it's stakeholders, you know, oh, Sakasa or then home, when Musa will be annoyed. Is that what you are saying? After this, you know, and the Supreme Court and to me and Mayor, why next time you ever fast forward? Because the Supreme Court did not see anything wrong with Juma or Bani. Who know be here or one year to some I am from so. Now I'm from so now here. Already at 2 Benedi, and man watch it or decade any, many about 40. Waiting. And he found no Kunya. Ah, what do you call Amanda? Why did you know who you me was that?
No, I say a question.
Hey, what could you not question what?
na court no percent ka mo de mo so mo de ba
ya me court no ba bia no pese fa no ne ya fa ho okura de nka case ni be wie nta ba bia wo mo ka e na ka mo de mo de ba we are saying say mami oman Ghana afene djuma ene o ye djuma ene o ye so na nhwe abato so ye tu wi a wan na so odege abato ni nyina no kan de obi enya ye wo de ama obi a
ala nyina se mo
wo de ba fo de ama de ama be afi wo se mfo so aba de na wo ye ni ye wo ye na se wo mra bi ebusa na wo se mo mfona e na ko nya no mbesa odi shishe wo ko yi ba fo de ana ko yi meme de wa de na wi ya o ko ka ho video because so aje to so yes sir
ala me na say
so in fact no what we are saying is say ya me road deal
okay
ya me ya no ya nkasa so o mo be kwa ko ji wo mani saba fo be no national
campaign
so champagne so be no national we are here no o pa protection
ala dia mata de now
David you go from I buche be ya ogogoro
ye nto ya ho anya kwa from camera ye ba wura mu the entrance ko sakra wo parliament na ye din komo ya so his excellency John Dramani Mahama ase se one oman Ghana kasa ye be ko ho ya kwa fit so atumi ade aba ye nya kwa from kato
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me yo o asofo nso no mo nya ma sore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kosie da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwew because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete oh ho no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasa nkra no wasa twi gulu ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na o haw eda oso no Mala mo hwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wo hwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well Olympia obusia say iflimu why the den it is slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma menti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma why slower
ebusia yenko nkumase
munko nkumase
Martin Luther. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy.
Minia, Obra Consu Yao. Semina, my uncle, and Yasha Dayon. Your penny as mammy. Semina, my father, Marcia Camara. Namma, Chini, someone that's why. We need problem cry. Who made you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. And what bred in the capre or do open a extreme grocery casket shop. I would massy labor higher. Me call Honoma. I know what's enemy years can't say you. You would have been Joano. Mr. Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, I mean, ambulance. Nammy some petty, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into the problem cry. I mean, now, the year is so open as to take a crab with the atwas here. Do not say, come on, stay by Plano. You couldn't watch it out. Some Ghostway Castle shop here, you will not come every day to send your movie now. Ghostway Castle shop, you will come and say, in front of Newtown, you did labor office in the bank. Ghostway Castle shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane.
Substantially in accordance with the law as to elections, the election is vitiated irrespective of whether the result was affected or not. 2. If the election was so conducted that it was substantially in accordance with the law as to elections, it is not vitiated by a breach of the rules or a mistake at the polls, provided that it did not affect the result of the election. 3. But even though the election was conducted substantially in accordance with the law as to elections, nevertheless, if there was a breach of the rules or a mistake at the polls and it did affect the results, then the election is vitiated. When Lord Dennis' propositions are read as a whole, the combined effect of the propositions is that an election will be voided upon the occurrence of infractions that actually affect the votes of the citizens cast at the polling stations and not the incidents of administrative errors and or mistakes committed by officers charged with the conduct of such elections. We find this same sentiment expressed by our own eminent jurist Adinyira JSC in the first presidential election petition case, Akufo-Addo and Ades versus Mahama and Ades. Number 4, 2013 Supreme Court of Ghana Law Report Special Edition, page 73 at page 237 to 237 to 238. Her ladyship had this to say, quote, courts usually apply the election code to protect, not to defeat the right to vote. Public policy favors salvaging the election and giving effect to the voters' intent, if possible. The right to vote is at the core of our democratic dispensation, a principle I've affirmed in this opinion with reference to the Tenadi and Hama Okansi line of cases. End of quote. Conclusion. We conclude this judgment by emphasizing that the petitioner did not demonstrate in any way how the alleged errors and unilateral corrections made by the first respondent affected the validity of the declaration made by the chairperson of the first respondent on the 9th December 2020, as already stated in this judgment. The petitioner has not produced any evidence to rebut the presumption created by the publication of CI 135, for which his action must fail. We have therefore no reason to order a rerun as prayed by the petitioner as in relief F. We accordingly dismiss the petition as having no merit.
As the court pleases.
My court, the petition is dismissed as without merit. We make no order as to cause.
We are grateful to the court.
My Lord, we are most grateful for the lucid judgment of the court.
Lord, with respect, may speaking first take the opportunity to thank the registrar of the court and also the staff for their support in getting the proceedings and meeting at weekends to file processes. We thank them too.
I just have one comment. I'm surprised that for the various teams, your frontline staff did not include any woman.
Right, yes, I Emma Aquaba and Famra Sinupi live on Kumawood television. You go so 18 come up on Supreme Court. Again, 0202 668464. I said that Enko Emma Madam Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center. Ko XB and Amalam War. How Biano Fakoda Madam 0246 647 247 0246 647 247. Juma and a Opa and a war. And I pass a malam 3 born and could be no ever. Ope Bambo, Eddie Amahon, Sika and I ope, or Juma and Upper Bambo, Eddie Ama, our rear and how be Abamu. And I said, too good. And I own one day, Panama, eating wow. A clear Yarabia, I hope you Nibiano, Balancebra. Now, Utumi, and Wako, Atibia, Eastern region, and a Madam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center, Ewo, Udru Coatibia, Ode, Oirapaya, or Unity, 87.7 for 127 years. And where Juma Azabianim call na Malam 8 to me M1 0246 647 247. Gosway casket, I say Ebia, now Oya, you receive your free moon. Omodiana Ebra, no more from that car, a borrow from it.
Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu.
So, I'm out for where I'm a song for me. They call Kuman who bet my friend Bob Siga 111666. I may love you. I kiss you. We have taste. You may catch us a Koswana Kumawood TV. Movie be latest. Up at Sierra over the Addis Ababa Kumawood TV. I may love you. I kiss you. What you say? Where Kumawood TV. Yeni ayediemuni. I love it. Bye bye.
Kumawood TV. Amansane yena ayediemu.
Yo adofo. Your friend in Anama Minta. Miss Noble Ghana 2018. So upe local movies asha. And ya no ani Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV. Ya ayediemu.
Kumawood TV. Amansane yena ayediemu.
Pia obusuafo mo dehyia mo obiam nie empanimfo se bomo chichie firi nsuase be ka so woden chamawu wonim se yenje na chinye sebe ewiase empanimfo se Paul Ramantamos na dikamfo eno ti Kumawood app ena Kumawood TV ye damu stronko epiao eno ti free na de ko se wo pa bibia hwede a eye Kumawood TV eno de ye sayemra ne se ya ye die mo dehyia mo obiam nie piao
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
In short name ma be here. Nana te beji shake the business na nana Kumawood TV like the jawa. Nana just any bot sin za wo be Kumawood TV. Fafaro, Dagmamu, Awusa o, Lambo Kambo za wa bi o. Kumawood TV kan yek peninga na nyi bot za wo. Nana mi la se nana tam meng mem pa cohort. Ti bona za wo be nga nana bablo da ka tele zugo tam meng cohort za wo be ni. So Kumawood TV na ka de bewa na la pa tam wo ti den ka kan bonere Kumawood TV ya diemu ena ye wona me da obiasi nti so wo kwa men ka be Kumawood TV kan ninga pa se ka wo be ni hey
Kumawood TV amansane yena ye diemu.
Oh la dame gugam yes Kumawood TV tingina yes tam maninta we Kumawood TV e ye bang yes
film on kiboza wa kata kuma TV na enyeme so zina zanga yaza awabe nya afafaro ya adagbano ya kambonwo ya mowo ya nkwano ni wole kuma TV ti something za awabe ti something za awabe ni bo film bo apapa wole kuma TV kina bang yes TV na kiwonla kuma TV ya the best kuma TV no size
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu
Yo the for ayama won for honorable Mark Lafani ne menua aya Kumawood TV menua sa opesini papa ahwa sinia eya ahumaka wom sinia abafofro sinia atwamu sinia beba menua aya Kumawood TV aya yanga sa yediemu hwe Kumawood TV the hop ena woni beje eho ena anije bi ewo Kumawood TV ya yediemu
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu
Joe is your boy kwamba wati asemenu mienu je bongo kwa nemre wati asiye wati Kumawood TV anu ana ekwo Kumawood TV ya yediemu I love you
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu
So person papa asha way akromudia and the American we are Kumawood TV, the best where you can get Kumawood movies.
Kumawood TV, amansane yena yediemu.
As a filmmaker, no, some year juma wie na me befie na me pe sini papa ahwe ya bibi mamu sini ayaye ahwa me hwe TV station bia se Kumawood TV aba ama Ghana man aba ama Asante man aba ama Ivi
amansane yena yediemu Kumawood TV aba
I say, good evening, Sir Mike. I like your show. Tell DK, I like his outfit. Anytime he comes on your show, his outfit is superb. Anama, yo. Good evening, Sir Mike. God richly bless you for your good work. Some pastors have tackled the verses and 666, but I always tell my members that they shouldn't give ears to those fallacies. COVAX COVID is real, and again the Supreme Court of Land has spoken. Let peace reign, because 4 years will come very soon. But sir, I have a very vital information. Okay. Apostle Bright Asamoah, Apostle, I will get back to you. Vision for Souls Prayer Ministry, Anyanya Junction, and Apostle Abba. Well, Alexander, member also on the issue of the course when our Parliament House. Approve another, Nipa Tetia Jomatu, me and son, I have a commission, and I have so upon Enkroma and brother Uso Kutu Efi, Ajomatu. Surprisingly, Kojo Ponkroma in 155 votes. And no, 110. How a commission in 161. I'm not calling more vote. 161, and 104, 2 no. And I feel I could do also free. But so in 143. Yeah, pass one. But I still say, and this money help you. I didn't hear.
Only Sammy Janfi. Case. Yeah. But say.
You see presented or no?
Mrante some no Mojashiano.
No platform. You full exuberance.
No. Ntina binimu fi say ye wo mo ne keka. Na me enra nsam na no wo mo ka the parliament on. Na wo mo so wo mu di yan adwene ho agoro. Ba wo mo mum ne na di wo ma adwene ho agoro. You see the whole thing started from a committee no.
Okay.
Very interesting story. What one I count? One more time. I be do time on be vote. La, me feel so omoye no. I know almost say. Sasanet here there. Emu apai. Majority for already. Don't forget to say MPP4. You pro majority. All by the omodi ade no kwese. Anything no one control the court. And I say majority yanya majority. One move say I teacher. Anything for no say lie no teacher. Na wo mu hwe lie ni nyina de o mu ya no so mo pese o mu de ade no. E de call main house. You go deliberate. And the Bible say, you say, NDC for no, I want more appointment competition. One more, I pass it, send it back 3 years okay. And one will say, Debbie, and Yanoko. One different day. Motakabe, you know, Casa, am pa. Said the Asama MPP 4 count, and no prayer because one can say majority. But in the sense, say, already near flow majority. Yankasa or more every need a passing quality and one way majority. Line. Now to say, who play games. Anything if I pay any people, there will be a kind of matron, science. Who you are no macabum. I feel a bad year, they know. Now, Takaka so on the year. Oba committee was swear by the Quran. I don't see. One more catch them before so be a majority. And to one day was signed a chair. And ye, any Busa, chairman of the committee. And what kind of or also the force. Then you have it all. One more the force we here. And now, speaker, say at the end, I hear them done. Where is he saying? Where is he saying? And the majority look all more kind of. Almost here before majority dada.
Say the majority dada.
Why no crowd or move fast with minority no. Maybe permanent. Minimum go. 30 and then
plus one.
Wow.
For now.
Tobo. Nyabutre. Otu ewu ni ma de pa. Nka mu YouTube. Tobo ma me kama se. Oh. Mu otu ewu ni ma de papa.
You took me a coffee paper.
Da MPP for one more year ban one quapa, down over your fruit. Woman new quapa. Woman young but too sa, woman to the quapa. Woman not the papa grow moon. No, ma'am, Pegas, no, I is a mama and the same MPs no. Will be to say, Nito. I didn't see a person. Okay. Your man who knew I was so. Our banda voter region. Oh, you know, so you're from Ghana for one to Abanina. If you need to, Munina as a defense minister. Nene kakra cry at ya never do the anymore. You come in the pram of you and the NDC for the members of that committee, no, and the NDC for me carry da for that I am personal. Is the last of no for that? And you quite say personal. What yes, somewhere highly incompetent and very dangerous finance minister. The permanent Sika was in a permanent. You put senses can wear one to make. Is it not true say your bobo sia na eba e fa no bank no agim 2.5% data bank enya ne dia a lot of issues around it and the day of recording no and no na aba no na some mo ko transit say na ten some 5 million Ghana cedis and people are crying say your parliamentary leadership no Haruna Mutaka anyway I say pam wo mu nyina
and Mugabe asema what can I say ono no evidence a kire sa na nipa me na anyis kan bi Alhassani Sumuni and afi okujata blackpa omo ne members omo ya NDC for omo kubati no so bia sa 5,000 5 million no manyi bi but if it's true say obi a ekoyi na as a minister enso betu akọ bribe apanya committee na can serious now you're not safe
since when you safe since when in Ghana for years safe armed robbery I tell you say ya yiri pa baako soldier for be do nso omudi oba baako achi ebeda Ghana safe Ghana to be safe sir
am I here for me
in fact you know what we are saying is say me huni but me timo ka kira me say sika e konkorofo nche
anya bia na for Samson no de ye
okay David
we call it
David what say do we no na MPP for insist seriously say yenye no secret ballot adia no obu chire no na mu na mo de bai oyin na mi kan na enti eba we no wo mo so kofa ba say secret ballot enti no wo mo no me di we ato ena me di we ati aka eno sa star ni bi no mo ye enti ewie no asat na ho eno na ama yankofo no agisika se wo mo pe so wo mo pe they must come out and assign reasons why until obi to send it to ya the man akuto masa I wish say your friend is saying
veteran I watch the veteran
only you know so wo mu kra na ebisa the questions no what then say ubisa na 17 no the abas no atena ni be what can trauma or my
judgment debt
yes
$50 million
spending say spending a Ghana government ibetia I didn't sign the power where say money even
okay na ku fa ko date no appoint
well
transitional period here woman or 6 ministers no caretakers who can take decision until say na transitional period no papa control be contract
I first name ko dikho
so in effect no MDC me try me nya calls me fancy me nya calls so far from grant what we are saying sir we are going to deal with them woman the masses no akuma in the area bro punishment to be any we are say ha MPP for MFM NDC for to the extent send the power tree sanity tool way or that soldiers or more than MPP for go matching but I hold to go e call service no mako so in fact what we are saying is that you have a group of sweat in NDC now oba walk
okay what is happening now in Kano again that's right minti on so tough to do but and I'm for in the money you know
to be honest with you this country is sick
amane yare
Ghana me I am Ghana at this time
oh yes
obi a pom ampani adi no
and I'm say looking at that and just say bi anya ewo oman ne ye ene etimu pa akodi ni pa bi dem ene trimodia ni pa bi anya say ye pie mwanya as against the detriment of Ejimano and Melo. Our
we don't have parliament.
I didn't see.
Ghana, you call this a parliament?
It's what?
It's a rubber stamp.
Oh no, I don't agree to that.
It is your opinion, but me, we don't have parliament. We have a rubber stamp representatives. My brother, so we share your constitution. We are the architectural structure of this 1992 constitution. Yes, you will depot Mujaya name of parliament. Kabana, yes, Sanyama baby. But if favor only room, if you are Ghana for a wise up, no one could follow Benin, say, young to Obama party, you are independent candidate. Ghana, the light of the day. MPP, our power. Umune NDC MPs and the Kubu. Who can say chairman of opposition? Near Kotongo, or China, the BBC, Parliament. On the day, a defended and Kunano was a papa. Over $64 million. I
didn't know. Woman to I knew would be Kumasan and Crack.
They know other than that, and in a MI. So, MPP near DC Kabum, and this couple match Channel 4, I could talk with her end now to me. 10 months ago, no opposition, no defending. 10 months ago, the prime is more than Abambabi, and the Beboa. Wouldn't know more. Omo Uganda for say any action for man. Ye ni mu hwe. Eti ya bedu parliament dia mo me ke omum. Na ya melche the country. Wouldn't say a government loans crowd or kodie and some be pass this abai is can be chairman. You know that?
No.
Please. Oh massa.
Oh yes.
Ye ni mu hwe kra no. PC approve for President Kufuor.
What happened?
No, there's no sense.
When you tell,
Mr.
don't down for him.
Mr. Sam Keka and I know Keka.
Debbie.
There was
a platform and a platform. It's a many people have a time with you. I said, look, I been there. Parliament meant to run for now. This is a committee. But the ordinary person, a cast as much because of the young. Up to now. Duada, a quite was say, Family College. No, I remember what she said was, that you just got $5,000 she said with much. Now, Scarborough, I got that. No, say, me and people never meant this as we are walking. I wasn't sure. And you go, what a couple of years, mammy, or God was almost one more. Sikana ya chichero usaka ube buru ala enti no mutwa fa ko na NDC sika ya de minority leader ana MPP for so adio mu kele se ya chama parliamentarians no bia afo deal so na o sa parliamentarians we are. Do you call this a parliament? Parliament is credible. Eti me appointment committee no in 1992 be seen there obi no one disqualified under this fourth republican constitution obi no appointment committee are disqualified let alone parliament are rejected no opagini sa body no ye we say sika on for
Dinga on pani usu se de cause parliament no abe kwara yenya appointment committee no kwara
o ma pagina kasa ni
ko bo mu din ana
and some are consider o ma pagina wonim but there are so many loopholes in our constitution MPP ni and this you can see a constitution in the woman wa anone konfa so e twa o ma na be MSika bebre e fa di pan sometime now what was it here? Maybe a president appointed virtually every head of every institution. Do you know what it means? It means I can't need national for the and why is it na de man no power na Ghana for allocated to him well use the loopholes in the constitution to punish us na for them check about and I call you crown 1 year I can pen say the ever tamesh chance constitution review akufo your mama a bottle one to us as an astute lawyer the one you begin Ghana for crown and can restructure General Lawrence may advocate for constitutional review my John Lawrence was say 25 years of using this constitution official I was yes you know why every military regime about constitutional rule not just in go for the say the law will come after that it will be the maybe shame one what about the president you have absolute power
if you are can't function
but power corrupts absolute power corrupts absolutely it's gonna be genuine baby until the constitution you better deal with it
that's what I see menasi mentio bafo
Semak
if I'm in Saturday MSNDC for especially na yana alaji mu NDC for e kapa so plan na mo nya me nsano am kware na committee na di campaign so mo kware da Dominic Diti wo mo ne Ambrosary
so mo de na wo mo
na mo kware na yes committee no must no pa
Sunday me nsano na na
ba still na mo se ho kware ne hiam pa
masa ade na ho e yo ma chichire ne ya chichire o ene de wo no e be favor wo nko ano ene eso ma ne ye me nipa miensa no yes o mo pass o mo true ana ba ayi parliament ana parliament ayi fo no so ahia ye share na fa approve anu so ba ya mo so makojiska wa won say Ghana yes no ene e fa nchechire o man o hwe na no de see ye swelling in ya ye speaker de see ye Ghana fo nyina kro e kasetia internet sa na kana mo pe no ho
na Ghana fo kasetia say
basa see what parliament wo no e bia si Ghana hada ye de na butu about boss na we so ade bad people e di Ghana bia si da na se ne Ghana fo so agunyame so ama nyame tie Yesu frɛ makro ye ba parliament wo so a mumunu so amosikum dabi o alert me pacho wo ya man qualify ka ba ni bobo ndin
so that do you want to say that one say abana bo ndin che say
one bobo ndin che say or qualify ni ekuta how many ministers 2016 ni ekuta ministers
125
and they say ekuta say
ikonyanwe
me say ekuta
na odika and
46 so dia me mecho no na 46 no oba vetting na say unqualified enti unprove no a me menti ase
and kawo
so dia me mecho no na Ghana no tambia yese e na edi ja so kias na mo parliamentary year mo go mo fi say obi akwaje 5 million Ghana cedi each person ya anti say ya ka say for proof bra ubetimi di prove na ko
sadi we no eya ko yesa parliament minim sa fan ko tin because e bia sipan allegations bi every bi atwam eja kon de ye so akotua bribe ne ade
and at the end of the day e ko si say
and another we so saba
and na me chese we no a we keka hunu obi atwes kama obi a because said the beya we 137 and the independent abedwane MPP and I 138 enti kadabia mo percent ko mo enchiri kata so a NDC
na dey say
enti ko mo enchiri kata so se bibiba na ade no ebeboa wo man Ghana for de ani hwe o enti se parliamentary members no so mo ani na wa Ghana ko nya no obi there forever o MPP ye enter forever
I'm surprised NDC apart committee no I can't say the family say be over there. Omo de omo susu say eni kwa say ejomo tu. Na omo ko tu aba no. na NDC for no abi nso tumi tuma san ko no ka
ana me me
chini amu apa no ko atiri mu no enya sa adwe na ye
no tie wo mu ya sitting wo mu ya say 26 MPP 13 NDC 13 me ba ye 26 no de yen ebinom se enipa miensa de ye yakoma mu no ye nwo mu ntum so de me to no wo mu so ka enye fana fana the whole fana no eye parliament e hona dodo no dodo no so mo ye yi wo mu nya committee na wo mo ya parliament
ntum so de me to no 0202 668461 0202 668461 oba no so na perform ya hwe Supreme Court verdict aba and afin so ya hwe enra ministerial nomination on pede ko ye parliamentary approval nipa miensa
oh enti a free committee nsem eba parliament wono and a parliamentary caucus no so e bi agye atum both NDC MPP agye atum se nipa miensa no wo mu hunu fom so bia e wo mu ho enti mo mo na se wo mo na no akobenkom wo mo pass wo mu tru a eno is kasem
no
aha is kasem me adia me fa mani hunu se enie no me fa no nka
o ja aka
Ghana ankasa no ye pesa mo ye ko you speaker ya tuma ona bo ba ben de
o to no fra
eno no ko iska anso hwe se ye nipa ba mienu asemiensa bi ekoshem eto de ye hunu se we ana we at the end of the day wakari betray ya wono one speaker of the so ya mienyan we yakwajiska no enipa no ontimi nya duma no a ka omampanin on pontene da the Ghana force will be ye bibi emania ya miani so
okay
ya miani so papa
afrefo
no ya no ajiska no
hello good evening
hello
good evening
good evening
good evening afrefree oh so good evening afrefree oh so good evening afrefree
good evening
good evening afrefree kasa o program no so kasa ni enti o
Lebo dia ba papa. Na ne maka ne se ne ebesi afiebi esan se Ghana ayi na ayi dam wedan Supreme Court. Enti mi o wa kamo Ghana ayi pa se na me dia ne mesra ka ne se Ghana na do o mi se o ye president da no so. Enti we ya no ba o ye jubilate ye se no. That's what I on Captain NDC for no because the yeah, jubilation, for congratulations, and then you are one example. That of a couple years and pay. I move here, I must have the country apple so. You know, you might pay your farm and never be a tire. And she must say. That and I have contribution, you know, who said, Father, you know, okay. And your woman, that to blame the long amount to be transported, I was out to show that.
All right.
And my man, you may be a number for the Ghana and Spanish.
Okay. I'm a Yanasi. Baby, I'm going to be a supposed for who? A posy for Marimu. A baby blessing the cost in a posy for her. I'm going to more. Ubiti Kamu. Now, I say, on shadow smash near Sino. Yamana Jumai. Arabo. 0202-6684-61 0202-6684-61 Bemwa yebefa yenka se man wani bara wodu wani a na amano ay moderate na afi atumi aboa enye wani kwan bi so a be wi achi no na akwakofa yare ena o ha so atumi aba alaje tie champagne say tu bebrebe a hwe be ha de pa so tu champagne bebrebe ha de pa fi se wodu wani wa hwe ni na tra so a rajimwa say wodu no ahwe net
ah obua
eno so bitumi aha so eti
wo mo na enya wo ma de eti kura sa de ese mu obi adumleti in terms of
some jubilate
say woman jubilate no me to me fa unto
me ta wona wura mu yo mama
na ekoba ne say company nintia fine yes sir they are Supreme Court so jubilate and what is wrong with that
sir jubilate no omo protocols no and so how adwen yare so
also omo
observe protocols no
any there nya no ku jubilation no na obi ya na na do ba ya no na ma no ye campaign wo koso sa nye ma
no he no smash mask there on fe ni agro
na omo di na chine
no be yesha bi na wo
the Supreme Court of Ghana has just dismissed the empty petition by the Sir Lusa John Mohammed as one without merit. Next time, get strong evidence before going to the Supreme Court. Regards to His Excellency Alhaji Baumia, Vice President, Masaudu, Bantamado Diabano. Yakona.
And the me can say, Korea ba our parliamenta. Okay. Yeah, Korea.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, free. Daddy, I see you. Okay. Abani kasa. Mo frɛ amu tie mo TV no so. Tie o phone na o dey frɛ no mu. That's I say mo. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi.
Good evening, free. Abani,
what kind of one? And this is NPC movement happen pa. Because say Minister of Defense na get so busy. Minister of Defense na get so much happen because the same way bring continue among fine.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening, free. But good evening, you're free. About your free, would be. About the Fred TV Swa. What the phone I free? Oh, I am my brepa. What the phone I free? You want phone, negative now to you. What I okay. Mr. More Fred TV Swa. Now, what low TV volume no? Because phone had a friend. Why is up to TV no? I don't know what you car. A hard distance more. Well, you're not young.
Intimidate the American say. Sisi nkabo mu ba ama ye nyina ye de abecheche o man no a ye nya we akodiska basa emfa o man nchichiri ye no because first ani ekuta 169 mo so 1 something no ani ne no eno nko ebi anyame kwa na amasa anhye no aba se de ye be ye nyina be ka ye ho abom ye de apagya o man no Ghana man first. Intimidate the American.
Okay, almost going to take a call away. Phone's not my problem. Okay, hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
You have a call us, Nancy.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, do you have free? If I see a friend from Nagarana. Yes,
na media American say. Your man chichre and the Yenya chichre. Both NPP and this
NPP communication team member.
In fact, anybody who the appoint you say, who may ministers, women are the last 4 years. More records there and there are more woman.
Okay.
And I say, you want to follow our financial baby from Fraba. The dead is one idea because our commission say. Etuono na kofo tete etre wase ne ntesa na opachawo so opachawa
ebisibi
opachawa eno nkyere se ye ne apa echo no ye do bone be chewo ana se evidence wa ja so wa ye bone na wa ye no ye ne opa echo ne be decide se ye de chewo na se ye punish o
na so da che no
obi an kansa
na no mu dia koke na ya gina
me ba o enya botre obi ankasa ma me suba o dare di o police station
okay
eye dangerous hwa pa na akoto say
so
one boss Akufo-Addo na wa appoint you with all your abysmal performance at $54 million $550 million and of 4 years who spending on agree ya da so cry jeni ni nyamanya ya ruka kwa danche o see a caretaker make take decision or take a decision in the midst of transition Amagana lose $50 million
okay
kandapa security bed na mo te koto abe
well
nitin security bed ya te koto abe
His Excellency
about to na somebody
about koto ya baba no mo na
bafo ka se na misere nyamia kan se edi na nka mo mu no ma no wale ka se nyamia baba
okay
but ka mo sushi ni pese edi na nka bo mu a kwanye no multi party system Ghana any union government ko for kano yo pese wa mo kira mo ne se anka ni na ye mu pe bia ne mo twa fa so no e na mo ka kira mo se enne de
Kenya sade no
entimi nya se bio ye ne e wodo do ni e be ye de e be no
mo ye soso
mo ye
Sani Senior living member of the NDC mimidi ade say Mike e de sinyame adoma ochina mesan atieka ya kramo
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akon
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawa so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini enwo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom o sa glue an kasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mmeremmeremre
okay
wo ba nyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena osukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie